Ever felt like this? Your friend says, "Hey, can you help me move this weekend?" Your boss says, "Can you take on 3 extra projects?" And you want to say no, but you just can't. You end up saying yes to everything and feeling totally exhausted. Don't worry, that stops today. In this video, we're going to master the polite, confident, and conflict-free art of saying no. This isn't about being mean, it's about protecting your time and your energy. Ready to get your life back? Here are 10 smart phrases that let you say no without ever saying the word no. They are simple, easy, and sound great. Let's dive in. 1. The clear and polite. "I'm sorry, but I can't." Use when you need to be polite and clear without giving a long reason. Example: "Can you help me study all night?" "I'm sorry, but I can't. I have to get some rest." Tip: this is direct and shows regret, making it softer than a simple no. 2. The gentle refusal. "I'd love to help, but I'm not available." Use when you want to soften the refusal by showing willingness but citing a block. Example: "Want to join us for lunch today?" "I'd love to help, but I'm not available until later this afternoon." Tip: "I'm not available" is a great, vague, and polite reason. 3. The casual pass. "Thanks for asking, but I'll have to pass today." Use when refusing a casual invitation or offer among friends. Example: "Do you want to come hang out at the mall?" "Thanks for asking, but I'll have to pass today." Tip: this is a friendly, simple way to decline without any drama. 4. The respectful boundary. "I appreciate it, but that won't work for me." Use when you want to acknowledge the request while setting a firm boundary. Example: "Can you move our meeting to 6 a.m.? "I appreciate it, but that won't work for me. I can meet at 8 a.m. Tip: "I appreciate it" is a great softener before a firm no. 5. The door opener. "Not this time, maybe later." Use when you can't do it now, but you want to genuinely keep the option open for the future. Example: "Do you want to learn this new skill with me?" "Not this time, maybe later. My schedule is too tight right now." Tip: this gives hope for the future, which makes the present no easier to accept. 6. The professional block. "I'm already committed to something else." Use when you need a professional reason for turning down a work or important request. Example: "Can you start training the new hire?" "I'm already committed to something else until next week." Tip: committed sounds responsible and shows you have other important work already scheduled. 7. The gentle limit. "That's not something I can do right now." Use when you need to be firm about your capacity without over-explaining. Example: "Can you handle the whole organization of the party?" "That's not something I can do right now. It's too big a task." Tip: this focuses on the task being too much, not on your unwillingness to help. 8. The confident prioritization. "Sorry, I have other priorities." Use when you need to be honest and assert that your current tasks are more important. Example: "Do you have time to redesign this whole presentation?" "Sorry, I have other priorities that need my immediate attention." Tip: this is strong and honest. It shows you manage your time effectively. 9. The expert redirect. "I don't think I'm the right person for this." Use when you know the request should go to someone else, especially for work or technical tasks. Example: "How do I update the accounting software?" "I don't think I'm the right person for this. Try asking Jane in finance. Tip: you sound helpful by guiding them to the correct expert. 10. The ultimate simple answer: no thank you. Use when you need a short, direct answer for a simple offer, food, or a casual question. Example: would you like some more coffee? No thank you. Tip: it's simple, polite, and impossible to misunderstand. The shortest path to freedom. Boom. You now have 10 powerful ways to draw a firm line without ever being rude. Let's do a quick recap. A. I'm sorry, but I can't. Polite and clear. B. I'd love to help, but I'm not available. Softens the refusal. C. Thanks for asking, but I'll have to pass. Casual and friendly. D. I appreciate it, but that won't work for me. Respectful and firm. E. Not this time, maybe later. Keeps the door open. F. I'm already committed to something else. Professional block. G. That's not something I can do right now. Firm but gentle. H. Sorry, I have other priorities. Confident and honest. I don't think I'm the right person for this. Useful for tasks. J. No thank you. Simple and direct. Your challenge: the next time someone asks you to do something you don't want to do, use one of these phrases. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Keep learning, keep shining, because confident communication is the key to living the life you choose. See you next time.